Welcome to Shelby Podcast, a production of Shelby Systems Media. And now here's your host, Don Alsop.
We are on the phone today with singer, author, and motivational speaker LaDonna Gatlin, who is in Frisco, Texas right now. LaDonna will be our featured speaker at the Thursday night banquet on June 4th at the International Shelby Conference in Dallas. I know that you have a musical background, LaDonna. Can you briefly tell us about your past and how you ended up singing professionally with your brothers on stage?
Well, I was actually born into the family, so that pretty much did it for me. I'm the baby sister of the three older brothers, and by the time I was born, they were already singing some gospel and country music. My mom had them on the stage singing in a television show in Abilene, Texas back in the 50s. And then I was born in 1954. I'm almost 55 years old. I'll save you the trouble of doing the math there. And I came into the family, and the Gatlin Trio became the Gatlin Quartet. We moved out further to West Texas, Odessa, and just started singing. And that's all I ever knew was singing with them all of my life, growing up in churches, singing gospel music, and then followed them to Nashville in the 70s and made some music with them there in country music.
So how long did you sing with the Gatlin brothers, and can you tell us any good stories back from those days?
Oh, I don't know if they'd let me tell you some of those stories from the good old days. I was with them up through the mid-70s. Then I got married, Don, and that really changed my perspective on my life. I tell people they went on to produce hit records, and I went on to produce 2 kids, and they got famous, and I got stretch marks. I just had a different song to sing, if you will, at that point, and that's why I chose to stay at home. I wanted to be a full-time mom. I just didn't want to do 250 days a year on the road chasing a country music career, and they did just fine without me, obviously. And they had some tough years on the road, and thank God they've come through that, some drug and alcohol abuse that they are clean and sober from 25-plus years. There are some stories there, but the upshot of all that is those days are over, and things are great for them, and they're still out there making some great music today. They do their thing, and then I've been a solo artist now since my kids got a little bit older, and I went back out on the road about 1995 by myself as a motivational singer, speaker, entertainer.
I visited your webpage, and I noticed it says, in order to achieve our personal best, we must find our own voice and sing our own song. What exactly do you mean by that, Fred?
For me, it meant to be who God created you to be and do what you're supposed to do in this world and be authentic. I love my brothers. I love making music with my brothers. Even to this day, when we all get together for a family wedding, the 4 of us end up singing together. The music is great. It sounds amazing. But that was my voice with them. My voice for LaDonna is to be out doing what I do 100 days on the year, motivating and inspiring and speaking to people and telling them my story. And I want people to find who they are supposed to be in this world. God's creation, obviously, but every individual has unique talents and unique giftings and things only they can do.
So what got you interested in motivational speaking?
Well, actually, another motivational speaker. He saw me do, years ago, a tiny little church concert, and he said, LaDonna, would you like to take this outside the church walls? And I said, well, absolutely. I really don't know how to do that. And he kind of hand-led me through the process, introduced me to some folks who could help me do that, and now, really, 99% of my business is doing exactly what I'm going to do at your conference, after banquet speeches or keynote speeches, opening speeches to open a conference or close a conference. And Don, everybody needs motivation and inspiration. Every day we need motivation to get up in the morning. We need motivation to help us eat right, live right, exercise right, do what we need to do. I'm proud of the fact and very blessed that I have the opportunity to do this because everybody needs to be motivated and inspired to be their absolute best. And if I can just help one person along the way, then I've accomplished what I need to do that day.
So what will you be talking and singing about at the International Shelby Conference in June?
I'm going to do a speech for you guys called Tune Up Your Life. It's some building blocks for living, just as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do are building blocks musically. I think those do, re, mi's are building blocks for us in life, and we're going to talk about things like doing the right thing, realizing our potential, helping others realize theirs, just general kind of common sense things that we know to do but that we need to be reminded of, and I put it in a real fun format. It's easy to remember as they leave, and then I'm going to do put a little love in your heart, do a little country music, some pop music, and just sing a little along the way and keep it going.
Well, Donna, I know you're an author and a singer. Can you tell us briefly what you have written and what solo albums you have done?
Well, I've done a gospel CD, the self-titled LaDonna Gatlin. I have my Tune Up Your Life speech on a CD. I have one called The Song in You, and then I have a Christmas CD as well. I'm working on a couple more right now that I've just got so many ideas in my head. I'm not sure where I want to go with it. I'd love to go back and do one of kind of a sentimental journey, go back and do some fun older tunes, but I can't decide which decade I want to go to because I like them all so much. And then I have been very, very blessed to be a contributing writer to a couple of the Chicken Soup books in the Chicken Soup series, Chicken Soup for the Father-Daughter Soul and Chicken Soup for the Christian Woman's Soul.
Well, the Shelby staff is already talking about you. We're real excited about you coming to the International Shelby Conference in June, and I'm sure the Shelby family, the whole group, is going to benefit from your wisdom and your talent. Do you have any final thoughts before we wrap things up today?
The Thursday night banquet on June the 4th will be an evening of singing and laughing and inspiration, and I want to personally invite each of you to attend. For more information, you can visit isc.shelbyinc.com. And I would like to remind everyone that I'll be around after the banquet to sign books and music CDs. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of the Shelby customers in Dallas.
Mark this date on your calendar, June the 4th. That's your chance to meet CPAE Speaker Hall of Fame Lifetime Award winner LaDonna Gatlin at the International Shelby Conference in Dallas, Texas. Just click the link on our podcast webpage for all the details. Don't miss our next program where we will be talking with Arena Account Manager Mark White. Before we go, here's our inspirational quote for the day from Psalm 33:3. Sing to him a new song, play skillfully, and shout for joy.
You've been listening to Shelby Podcast with your host, Don Alsop. Shelby Podcast is a copyrighted production of Shelby Systems Media and can be heard online at shelbyinc.com/podcast, or you can download the program, copy it to your iPod or MP3 player, and listen at your convenience. Shelby Podcast is also available on iTunes. Make sure you click the RSS link so that you get each new show automatically. Thanks for listening, and tune in next time for another Shelby Podcast.